My name is Damien Pelo. I am a third-year architecture student. I've always wanted to be in architecture. When I was younger, I would play with Legos and always want to build buildings and see what I could do. And then in high school, I dabbled with some architecture programs, learned about certain principles and stuff like that. And then being here at the Department of Architecture here in VG, it has broadened my scope of what I wanted to do, and it has also at the same time narrowed what I want to do specifically. So we are thrown directly into a design studio so that we understand how to design basically right off the bat. My interests lie in being able to bring people together. So office spaces that are other social spaces, gathering spaces, I want to really incorporate those into more of your public buildings. That way it's more of an interactive architecture. That way it's not just a building here and a building there. It's a building here that has a park that brings the workers from both buildings together. Something that's got a lot of social interaction.